What's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. This video is my full review of Samsung Galaxy S20 on Google Fi. All right, so late last year, Google made a partnership with Samsung and announced it. Well, technically didn't really announce it, but it was a big deal. It was an update that Samsung phones now work on Google Fi, right? And it's been a lot of twists with the whole situation because of Google Fi. It's supposed to network switch with multi lines, multi networks using T-Mobile, Sprint, and US Cellular. Well, a lot of people thought and still think that the Samsung phones don't network switch, but in the previous videos, I've got screenshots, footages, and I even showed on my blog site that the S20 or any other Samsung phones on the Google Fi website has the ability and capabilities of doing the network switch. The real issue is because of Sprint merged with T-Mobile, you can't tell if it's on Sprint, and US Cellular is not available everywhere in the United States. So for people that are wondering or curious about all this situation, it's certain applications you have to download to figure this stuff out. And not only that, you have to check the map coverages and there are websites, including T-Mobile, US Cellular. Well, Sprint's part of T-Mobile now, so I can't even say Sprint website. But if you go to the T-Mobile coverage map and you go to the US Cellular coverage map, this will let you know, um, you know, where the best coverage is for T-Mobile, US Cellular, and Sprint. Now, if you're not covered by those networks, then of course the service is not going to be all that valued for you. But with the S20, and I caught a great deal on this phone. The phone retailed at $999 plus tax. So you're looking over $1,000 for the S20. But in recent months, Google Fi has had a promotional deal where if you buy it as a new customer, you can get the phone for as low as I think $300. So at one point, if you were a brand new customer to Google Fi, like you never had Google Fi at all, it would have been $299 for you. All right, and I'm gonna talk about all the accessories in the background and stuff like that in a minute. But I just want to let you guys know that the S20 on Google Fi works great, and for a $400 price, I think it's worth the money. The S20 has a lot of value to it, as well as the other Samsung phones that are available on Google Fi. They all have great value to them now, and they even have a low budget Samsung phone, the A32 5G, which I might pick up just to review, and I'll get that phone away. But so the starting price for Google Fi is $20 for unlimited talking text, and you get international calls, international texts, and abroad. That's the base model for the Flex plan. With the Flex plan, you can add on data sims. This is what these little packet things are. These are my data sims. All right. So I mean, do all that, but you get a little SIM card, and then you can pop it in a mobile hotspot. You could, if your laptop or tablet. Well, I got an Amazon tablet, but it's just for Wi-Fi only. But I can use it with the hotspot, and you get all those type of options with the data only sales, or you could pop it in another phone that works on the T-Mobile network. Okay, this is a Nokia phone which I got unlocked by AT&T. And it works on T-Mobile and AT&T. So the data only SIMs can work in a T-Mobile phone, a T-Mobile hotspot, which you can get these for free on the test drive website. I'll leave a link in the description box. And it works perfectly fine. So I could just pop this on. Let some lights show in here. So I could just pop that on. I can I can use the data only SIMs for just internet access if I just need to check emails or messaging or YouTubing, stuff like that. Now, it's $10 per gigabyte. I know a lot of people saying that's too expensive and stuff like that. But if you're a person that don't use data a lot and you got Wi-Fi, you got house internet, you got home internet, like you got Xfinity or Spectrum on Fios by Verizon or AT&T Fiber or Google Fiber or something like that, Dish internet, whatever the case may be, then this will still save you a lot of ton of money. All right, for the Google Fi service for the Flex plan. And like I said, you get international calls and stuff like that. So that's the cool features about the $20 Flex plan. And then after the 6 gigs, the data is free up to 15 gigs. So you get 9 gigabytes additional data. So it really varies. It depends on, once again, your data usage. And I will show you the app in a little bit. Also, I did a full Google app review video. I'll leave a link in the description box and in the comment section. And also, I gotta let you guys know, this is the official S20 box. As you can see, here it says Samsung Galaxy S20 5G. This is the official box, just in case people think this is not the real box. This is the legitimate S20 box. You get the stereo headset, you get the wall charger, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, this is why I like the phone. That's why I went with it. And here, like I said, this is the official Samsung brick. I got the Samsung earbuds. And to be honest, the AKGs are decent earbuds. I don't use them on a regular, but I use them when I'm doing my sound testing and things like that. And also, I do got Pixel Buds because I got a Pixel. And these actually work with the Samsung. So, because it's USB Type-C headsets. And I know a lot of people hate that and all that stuff like that, but hey, at least you get some type of accessories and all that. But the phone is very versatile, like I said. You got great cameras on it. It's got great stereo like speakers. It's dual speakers, so as you can see the ringtone, you got great audio sounds and stuff. So that's cool. Now let me get back into the plans. First off, let me go back to the Google app. Okay. That's the Google Fi app. And we're going to go to the support, and then we're going to go to Fi plans preview. Now, I do also have to mention this. Okay, other than the benefits, we talked about that, about the data and the free calls, international, in the US and Canada. Now, a flex plan with family plans, and you get 2 lines, it's $17.50 per line. With 3 people, it's $16.67. With 4 people, it's $16.25. You go all the way to 6 people, that's $15 per line for unlimited talking text. And then once again, you get the data you get the data sims, which are free to order on the flex plan for free. You know what I'm saying? And then okay, let's go to the simply unlimited data plan, which I've done a video. Which I did the plan with the S20. And this only comes with 22 gigabytes of high-speed data, and then you get throttled down to slow speeds, which a lot of people, they complain about and cry. But I'm gonna tell y'all this: I use this as my only service. I didn't have any other service. I used this as my only service, and it was like I only used up 8 gigabytes. I only used up 8 gigabytes in a whole 30 days with the S20 5G phone with 5G, as you can see. Okay, so it's all about how you use it. Like I said, I got Wi-Fi at home, Wi-Fi at the mall, Wi-Fi at restaurants. I got Wi-Fi at the local grocery stores. So I got Wi-Fi at gas stations. So Wi-Fi at hotels for free. So, you know what I'm saying? So the data wasn't being used as much. And then on top of that, I have a lot of applications with premium packages for free. If you go to the Galaxy, if you go to the Galaxy members, if you go to the Galaxy members app, you can sign up for free memberships. So Samsung has like a lot of free benefits that you can get. You can get let's see, they got one for Siri. You get Siri Premium for 6 months for free. They had one with YouTube Premium. They got one for Spotify. You get Spotify 6 months for free. It's just Calm. They got Calm for 6 months for free. So with Samsung, you winning. With Samsung, you winning. So you're not gonna be using up a lot of data unless you unless you don't have home internet, you don't have Wi-Fi nowhere. All right, then you're gonna be using a lot of data. But on top of that, the phone came with 128 gigabytes of onboard storage, and I had this phone for almost 3 months now, and I still got 50 plus gigabytes of free storage. And yes, I've used the camera. Okay, for people that don't know, I use the camera. Okay, I use the camera. I've used the camera. I've done a lot of picture taking and video taking and stuff like that. I just haven't uploaded anything yet. But that's besides the point. But I'm just letting you guys know. That's the flex plan, and then that's the unlimited plan. Simply unlimited. You really get no real major benefits other than 22 gigabytes, and you can still use this in Canada and Mexico. The thing is, you can't use the data SIMs for like your phones, tablets. You can't use them on the $60 Simply plan. But it worked fine. Call quality was great. Messages went through good. I was streaming YouTube and stuff perfectly fine. It's just my data usage was only 8 gigs. All right. And so the regular unlimited data plan, which is $10 more, you get the data SIMs and all that included, the free international calling, and then an additional 22 gigs. Plus, you get 100 gigabytes of Google One storage. So that's just if you use cloud storage or whatever like that. But the family, but the family plan is a little more expensive because you get unlimited data, and that's for each line. Okay, that's for each line up to 6 lines. It'll be $45 per line. Well, basically after the fourth person. And you, like I said, you can still get the data SIMs and everything like that. All right. So that's the whole big purpose of the Google Fi service. Each plan, how I ran, things in that sort. I didn't do the $70 plan because I already got Google One for free for having Chromebook, which will work with your Google Fi service if you plug up your Google Messages. Okay. So let's see. Oh, billing. Okay, so if you're on a flex plan, your billing is going to be different every time. If you're on the flex plan, it just depends on your data usage. Now, as you can see, last month, my phone plan was what? For free. My phone plan was for free. Well, you're going to ask, well, how did you get that for free? It's called Fi Savings. Okay, so I got a lot of credits. All right, so I had $700 in credit, right? And I still got credit coming in. Also, $600 savings from Google Fi with the phone, and referrals. I got $700 in referrals. And you tap on that, that's my referral code. So that's how you find out where your referral code is. And you can show your referral code on social media. We talked about this numerous times on this YouTube channel. And these are remaining credits I have to go. So I have $362 in bill credits to go. Now, of course, after that, yes, I will be paying month to month like everybody else. But if you want to save on money, if you want to save on your phone bill, then use your referral code. You got social media, use it on your Facebook, your Reddit, Discord. Like I said, I mean, people say, oh, that's bloatware. But if you're using it, if you're on social media all the time, why not? Why not? You never know who might say, oh, okay, well, I can save $20 here. I can save $20 there. And not to mention, I didn't do a video about, yes, I did. I did do a video about this, how to get Google Fi SIM cards in stores. So Target sells Google Fi SIM cards. Best Buy sells Google Fi SIM cards. And you could also get Google Fi SIM cards on Amazon, which Amazon Prime Day bonanza is over with. But they didn't have any specials on Google Fi SIMs. But peep this out. Another way to save includes $10 in credit on your first bill. So instead of paying $20 on your first month of bill, you pay $10. And then, while you using the service, start sharing your referral codes. Also, there's another cool feature about the Best Buy SIM cards. If you order the Best Buy, the Google Fi SIM at Best Buy, you can get 3 months of YouTube Premium, give or take, if that's what you're looking for. All right, that's another option to save you money. So that's my whole thing about the Google Fi service on the S20. And like I said, it's other applications that can help you identify. As you can see, it shows the T-Mobile logo. But the way I found out I was on T-Mobile was this application called Signal Spy. All right. The application called Signal Spy, it'll let you know what band you on, the LTE, what's the SIM operator. You got all these informational numbers and stuff like that. Also, another cool app you might want to download if you're going to do this service, Open Signal. All right, Open Signal. They have upgrade. As you can see, it shows you I'm on 5G Google Fi. You can do speed test, video streaming testing. It'll let you know how often what you want 5G and 4G and all that stuff like that. Also, it can show you it can show you the network status of your operator, and then it gives you the breakdown. As you can see, they're still showing Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon. Not sure why they don't use US Cellular, but US Cellular is an option. Okay, all right. So, and then this is another cool thing: cell towers. Okay, so it says the cell tower direction and arrow is supported for 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE at the moment. So no 5G cell tower showing off, but you hit the cell towers, and these are all where all the T-Mobile towers are at right now, because that's the network I'm using with Google Fi as of right now, where I'm at, because it's got the strongest signal in my area. So, and you can always zoom out and you can check where all the towers are at. Okay, it's another cool application and a helpful application, I may add, that you guys need to check out. Yeah, and see, and then it's a widget for the Google Fi. It says I'm not on Wi-Fi. My mobile, it says LTE because that's band 2 and 1900 millihertz. All right. Let's see. Fi Switch is another cool app. $5 is another cool app. And people who keep sleeping on this application, Samsung Max. Now this helps you save on your data. If you don't want to go over, I don't know why you don't want to go over it, but if you don't want to use up the whole 22 gigs or so, whatever you have, they have data savings and things like that. And this application can actually show you what apps can save you data. You have to have it on high. It'll actually show you apps with the high savings. Here are the apps with the high savings: YouTube, TikTok, Netflix, and Feedly. But it's other applications that can save you a lot of data, but these are the top applications that can save you a lot of data. And as you can see, it says extend your data plan up to 50% more for free. Samsung Max VPN, another application I recommend you guys use. All right, just letting you know. So with all that being said, the Google Fi phone service is very versatile. It works 100% on the Samsung phones. Like I said, the reason why people on Reddit and Facebook complaining about the network switching not working and things like, they're not downloading the right applications. I've done plenty of videos about this, how to use the apps. You got to give it permission to your phone to access the networks and the stuff like that. This phone is fully unlocked. I'm letting you guys know that on hand. But I'm on a promotional deal, so I have to stay with Google Fi for at least 90 days before I can get anything. Before I can switch it off to another carrier and give it another test with the Samsung Galaxy S20. But overall, the performance is great. It has great battery life, great 5G, dual speakers. It comes with headset. It comes with a battery charger, adapter, all that type of stuff. And it works with all these different accessories. You can see it even works with my OG Project 5 power bank. When you get the right USB cable. This is the right USB cable. And I can just charge this with that. Or this has reversible wireless charger. So if I have another device, I can charge another device with this phone. So it's very versatile, and it's pretty much a freaking computer. Like Samsung Dex. I forgot to talk about that, but it's on this phone. So I could turn this phone into a computer. To be honest, I really don't need all that extra stuff. I have mobile hotspot on Flex plan. But I'm just letting you know, guys, that Google Fi is very versatile. There's so many ways to use it. It just depends on your usage. All right, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. It's your boy, 2 Phones for Free. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of the video.